Now the second step is to create agents. And what are the names of agents? John and Tom. John works in sales team and Tom works in support team. So how to create the agents? So on the left hand side, you will see this navigation bar. Go to users management. Over here, click on user management. This user management portal will help you to create agents, administrators, call auditors. So you can create number of types of roles you can create, but we want to create a role that is agent. So we want to create 2 agents right now. So I'm going to click on add new users to create my first agent. So here my first agent name is John, and I can give the same username John and email address, whatever email address you want to give. Okay. Country name, you can select, let's say Canada, and you can type 1 minute. Yeah, over here I can type the number, whatever number that agent have, you can type. It doesn't matter, guys. Remember, the number which you have claimed and this number does not matter. You can just enter any number. So don't worry that you have to type only claimed phone number. No, you can type any phone number over here, doesn't matter. And now I can just create the password. So we are creating this username and the password. So over here, we are creating the login, username, and the password, because we will be logging in the agent portal as well, where the agent will receive the call. So we have to create username and the password. So I'm going to create the username and the password here. Okay. And now I can click on security profile. And because it's my agent, so I will click on agent. And routing profile, you can click on basic routing. You don't have to change this. And now you can tag it team sales. Okay, and click on save. Okay, it's asking for the last name also. So I can give the last name as Henry. Okay, John Henry. And I can just click on save. So if I refresh, I will see my first agent, which has been created, John, and he's the agent, and his last name is Henry. Okay, and you can see he's part of sales team. Now I have to create another user. His name is Tom. Tom Henry, the same. Okay, same thing. Give the username as Tom. Email address, again, you can give anything. I'll give thinkcloudly.com. And country, I can give anything, and I can just give the number. Okay, and give the password up here, because Tom and John, they need their own agent portal where they will receive. So that's why it's important that you will create username and the password for each agent separately. Okay, now in the setting, if I scroll down, I'll click on the agent and I'll click on the basic routing profile, and I'll say team, and value will be support, because Tom works for support team. And I click on add, click on save. So I'm able to create 2 agents over here, John and Tom, and John works for sales and Tom works for support. So I'm able to create agents as well. So this step is also done. So guys, everyone, are you able to follow me? Are you able to follow up in me that how we were able to create the agent? Do you find it simple? Everyone, is it simple?